Hello everyone, welcome to TradeEasy Accounting Software. Today we are going to discuss about the receipt and payment entry in TradeEasy Accounting Software. Before getting into the receipt and payment entry, let's know what is receipt and payment. Receipt and payment account functions as a summary of cash receipts and payments of an organization during an accounting period. All the cash receipts are recorded on the receipt side and all the cash payments are recorded on the payment side. In simple way, we can say that all the money flowing into the company is entered in the receipt voucher and the money flowing out of the company is entered in the payment voucher. So let's get started. Click on the TradeEasy icon. This is the login window. Select the company name and enter your username and password and click on OK. So for entering the receipt and payment, click on transaction, then select voucher entry or directly press the short key F5. The voucher entry window is opened. Here there are 6 vouchers, that is receipts, payments, journal, contra, debit note and credit note. As we are discussing about receipts and payments, click on receipt voucher. The receipt window is opened. Every type of indirect income rather than sales you can enter here. From here, you can select the date, then start entering the receipt voucher. For that, click on Add. Here, the cash flowing out will be automatically selected as CR in receipt voucher. You don't have to change it. Let's take the example of receiving commission from a particular company. For that, first you have to create ledger. So press Insert key to create a new ledger. Here, write the ledger name, that is commission received. And this ledger is coming under indirect income. If you are having any opening balance, you can enter in this opening balance entry. Now, this ledger is created. Enter the amount, then click on OK. Then automatically, the cash will be selected in the DR side and click on OK. And if the amount is transferred by check or DD, you can select the option and enter the check or DD number. Then enter the bank name. In case the receipt is by a post-dated check, you can mark the voucher as post-dated by enabling post-dated check entry and select the date. By this, the transaction will reflect in your books only on the post-dated check date. Enter the narration if required, then save this receipt by clicking on Submit. In the same way, you can enter the payments. Every type of indirect expense rather than purchase you can enter here. You can enter the voucher numbering as manual or automatic. Then select the date and start entering the payments by clicking on Add. TradeEasy first asks the ledger to which the payment is made. Let's take the example of paying electricity bill. For that, first create the ledger by pressing Insert key. Enter the ledger name, that is electricity bill, and this ledger comes under indirect expense. Then save the ledger. Now enter the amount, then click on OK. Here, the cash is selected as CR automatically. Then click on OK. Then save the payment by clicking on Submit. Now, let's see the reports of the receipt and payment voucher. For that, click on Accounts Report, Registers, then select the Receipt Register to view the report. From here, select the date range and click on View. You can also view this report by selecting the Detailed or with Narration option. In the same way, you can view the payment reports. So, this is the payment register. To view any of the ledger, you can directly click on Ledger option or press the short key Ctrl+L. Enter the ledger name and select the voucher type and click on View. This is the details of this ledger. In this way, you can record all your business transaction in Tradici accounting software. There is no need to get confused by which ledger to debit or credit. Just select the type of transaction and enter the details required. Your debits and credits are taken care of. Also, your accounts and reports are recorded instantly. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.